How to log into UPS employee portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into UPS employee account or portal. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your web browser. Then type in UPS employee portal. After you do that, here you'll see two websites. You'll need to head over to this second one. Let me zoom in on the website here. So this is the website. Tap on that. After you tap on that, this website can take some time to load, so let it load. From here, you will be able to sign in, but what we'll do is we'll head over to UPS employee from here. Tap on UPS employee, and from here, you will need to choose your account. You can add an account by typing on use another account as well. So simply type in your employee number at the rate ups.com, then hit on next and then type in your password, and then you'll get logged in. And that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.